Good morning and welcome back to another beautiful day here in the Maldives and another whale shark expedition vlog. As you saw, last night we put the spotlights out in order to attract plankton to the back of the boat, and we were lucky enough to get a night whale shark. Unfortunately, this individual seemed to have a barrel wrapped around one of his pectoral fins, and so it stopped him from coming to the surface. And even though we only saw this shark for a few seconds, it was an incredible experience and unlike anything I've ever done before. Seeing a whale shark during the day is incredible, but watching one emerge out of the pitch black in the dead of night is truly breathtaking. Over the next few days we'll be heading south, looking for whale sharks in areas with less boat traffic, and hopefully we'll stumble across new individuals to put into our database. So sit back, relax, and join us on our search. What an exciting 3 days it's been. As you saw, we had some incredible experiences over the last few days. Unfortunately, no new whale sharks, but over the coming days, we're going to be back in our home range of South Ari. And with any luck, our usual survey range will provide us with plenty of whale shark encounters. As for tonight, we're enjoying this beautiful sunset, along with learning some facts about some of the megafauna that we've already encountered. Join us next time on our search for whale sharks and the conclusion of WSX 19.
Yeah. You ready?